Hi everyone, it's a beautiful day and welcome back to 5 Tool Tuesday.
5 Tool Tuesday.
In today's video, I'm going to give you 5 million tools that you can use to tool, stamp, and carve leather. Hey, before we start, if you like this series, drop a like, subscribe, even share it if you want to. Those are all ways that you can really help the channel grow. Get it out to as many people as we can. Thanks guys. Oh, I will be leaving a few affiliate links to these tools and various other things in the description below. Number 1 is kind of 2 tools. You have the sponge and the container to put water in. You soak up the water with the sponge and you use that to case your leather. Casing your leather basically just means to wet down the surface of the leather, let it dry a little bit so that the vegetable tan leather can take the impression of the tools that you are using. Number 2, the granite slab. We talked about this last week. When you're smashing your tools into your leather with your mallet or your maul, you have to have something on your table that is going to resist that energy and have some inertia so that you don't wreck the table that you're working on. It's kind of like a big anvil, but it's flat, so you can do your whole picture on top of the granite slab. Number 3, the stylus. You trace or draw your picture with a stylus onto your leather when it's slightly damp. This one has a kind of a spoon end, like a molding tool, so you can also use that to shape and smooth out lines in your leather. It's pretty much your main essential tool to draw your picture onto the leather. Number 4, the swivel knife. This is a really amazing tool. It's a blade at the end and you put your first finger in the top and then you control the blade with your 2 middle fingers and your thumb. Basically, that's how you draw your picture onto the face of your leather. You can get all kinds of different blades for them. I've got one with a slanted blade. I have one with a regular straight blade. This one's got like a bunch of little blades for doing like texture hair and such. Number 5, the maul or mallet. You're gonna need something to bash those tools when you start tooling the leather, but you want something that doesn't damage the tool. Let's say we're gonna use this stamp. You don't wanna damage that end because they'll mushroom over and they'll get wrecked. So you use something like this rawhide mallet or even this wooden mallet or a maul like this. I've covered this one in leather. Most people these days use the poly maul, usually with the stacked leather handle. They're kind of cool. You can find them at Amazon and all kinds of different places. Number 6, the bonus tool.
Bonus tool.
Stamps. Stamps fall into 3 categories. You have your straight up, just a picture, so you hit it with your maul and it stamps a picture into the leather. You have your beveler and backgrounder, the ones that kind of shape the leather and give it a 3D texture. And then you have things like a basket weave or other geometric shapes that basically you do a bunch together and they create a pattern. With those 3 categories, you can make all kinds of stuff. Thanks again for watching 5 Tool Tuesday. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like. If there's something on this list that I forgot, please leave a comment. I get back to everyone. Make sure to subscribe, share this video if you can. Really helps to grow the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again on the next episode of 5 Tool Tuesday. Peace.